questions based on these formula?
Yes.
These 6 formulae are there. Irrational functions integration. There are 6 of these types. Hello, Shavaz, can you hear me? Hello, Shavaz, can you hear me? Okay. Shavaz, these 6 formula, first write this down. We are going to discuss questions based on this. So there is a question. This is the question here. We'll see how we can do this question. So right now it is x plus 4 by root over minus half x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2. So what we can do first of all to make it simpler, we can take this half outside. So 1 by root 2 will be outside. And it will be minus x square. And then minus 6x plus 3. So we take the LCM 2 here in the denominator. And we get minus x square minus 6x plus 3. And 1 by root 2 is outside, which will become root 2 in the numerator. And then we have x plus 4 upon square root of minus x square minus 6x plus 3. Now, before applying any of these above formula, this 6 formula which we have to apply, first we have to make the numerator constant. Here, every formula has numerator 1. It is not linear. So what we have to do, we have to, in rough, differentiate this, which is inside the square root, minus x square minus 6x plus 3. and we get it as minus 2x minus 6. So what we will do, we will try to write this x plus 4 as minus 2x minus 6. Now, if you have put here minus 2x, you have to divide by minus 2 also. Then only minus 2 by minus 2 will be x. And minus 6 by minus 2 will be 3, and here it is 4. So you have to do minus 2 also. So this is the extra minus 2. So what we are doing actually here is minus 2x minus 6 minus 2 by minus 2. And this will eventually give you minus, this will give you x, and this will give you plus 4. So this plus x plus 4, I'm writing it like this. Okay. Because I want this term minus 2x minus 6, which is the derivative of this term, which is inside the square root. So I took the derivative of this term, which is inside the square root, and tried to form x plus 4 in this form. That is minus 2x minus 6 minus 2 upon minus 2 here. And this whole thing will give you x plus 4, as you can see in the rough space, upon root over minus x square minus 6x plus 3 dx. Then we can write it as minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 2 is minus 1 by root 2, and this is minus 2x minus 6 upon root over minus x square minus 6x plus 3 dx. And then we have minus 2 dx by root over minus x square minus 6x plus 3. So first we write it like this. First write it down, then we'll proceed. So I hope it is clear till here. Any doubt till here?
So
Okay, okay, Shabazz. So now what we will do, this first part, this is actually minus x square minus x plus 3, and it is its derivative. That is what we have done here. So it's if we take it as root over u, then numerator is du. So if we take, let u is equal to minus x square minus 6x plus 3, then du is equal to minus 2x minus 6 dx. Then we have minus 2 and integral of dx by, here what we do the completing the square. So when we will try to do completing the square, minus x square and minus 6x by these two terms, we can write it as x plus 3 whole square, because that will give you minus x square minus 6x. One extra term will come, which is 9. So minus 9 will be there. So we will do plus 9, and then plus 9 plus 3 will be 12. So this completing the square we will do. When you will simplify this 12 minus x plus 3 whole square, you will get the same thing which is written here. That is minus x square minus 6x and plus 3. Now when you integrate minus 1 by root 2, u to the power minus 1 by 2 is u to the power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 minus 2 integral of dx. This is a bracket here. Minus 2 integral of dx by root over 12 is root 12 square minus x plus 3 square. So this will become minus 1 by root 2, 2u to the power 1 by 2 minus 2. Now here, the formula will be applicable. A square minus x square. This is x plus 3 in place of x. It is a linear extension only. So what is dx by root over a square minus x square? So if you see here, it is sine inverse x by a. So this will become sine inverse x means x plus 3 and a means root over 12. And then plus c. First write till here, then we'll write the final answer. Now we can open bracket, and this will be written as minus root 2 2 by root 2 is root 2, u to the power 1 by 2. U to the power 1 by 2 means minus x square minus 6x plus 3 to the power 1 by 2. This will become plus root 2 and sine inverse of x plus 3 by root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 plus c. So this will be the final answer which we will get. So I hope you have written this. Now you can try one more question. This is the next question. Integral of 6x plus 8 by 3x square plus 6x plus 2. If you will stuck at any step, you should tell.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Shavaz. Are you saying
So,
something?
can you show the formula of dx by x square plus a square?
Yes, yes.
Is it 1 by tan inverse x by?
Yeah, 1 by a square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That is right. So here also, when we will differentiate this one we will differentiate, which is in the numerator denominator. So we will get,
Yes, sir.
have you
dx
got the answer?
square is equal to 1 by 2a log x plus a by x minus a.
1 second, let me check. Can you tell again?
Sorry, sir, it's wrong, sir.
Okay, let us see. So 3x square plus 6x plus 2 when differentiated will give you 6x plus 6. Now here it is 6x is there, plus 8 can be written as 6 plus 2. So what we can do, we can write 6x plus 6 by 3x square plus 6x plus 2 dx, and then plus 2 by 3x square plus 6x plus 2 dx. Now the first one is not so difficult. If we assume this is u, so this will be, this into dx will be du. So if you take this as u, this whole numerator will be du. It is its derivative. So 1 by u du is log of u, which is log of 3x square plus 6x plus 2. So I'm not taking it as u and again substituting it. I'm directly writing it like this. Now here, if you take 3 common, so 2 by 3 common we take, so x square plus 2x plus 2 by 3 it will be. So instead of writing it here 2 by 3, we can just write 2 here and take common 3 from x square plus 2x. This is what we will get. So it is log of mod of 3x square plus 6x plus 2 plus 2 by 3, and x square plus 2 by 3 we are not taking like this. 3 is common to x square plus 2x only. And x square plus 2x can be written as x plus 1 whole square. So that will be 3x square, and then 6x plus 3 will be an extra term. So you will do minus 3. So it will be 2 minus 3 minus 1 dx. So this is what we are getting. So first write till here.
So you can tell the answer.
Sorry,
Can tell the answer.
you have got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second, let me check. Then you can tell. Yeah, tell.
So log of 3x square plus 6x plus 2
Okay.
plus root 3 into log modulus of x plus root 3 minus 1 by x plus root 3 plus 1.
I'm not sure, it is given in a different form, but let us check. Let us see. So plus 2 by, we will take 3 outside. So it will be 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 3 square dx. So it will be like this. Now it is log of mod of 3x square plus 6x plus 2 plus 2 by 3. Since you have taken 3 outside now, so you have to divide by 3 here, that it is 1 by root 3 square. Now it is x square minus a square identity, which means it is not x square plus a square, it is x square minus a square. So 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, this first identity. So 1 by 2a 1 by root 3 is a log of x plus 1 minus 1 by root 3 by x plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus c. So we get log of mod of 3x square plus 6x plus 2. And here 2 will cancel and 3 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. I think you are right. Plus log x plus 1 minus 1 by root 3 by x plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus c. This is what you have told, I think. Their answer is little different. Anyways, I think Shavas, your answer is this one, which is correct. So we can proceed further. This question is not exactly direct formula based. You will have to use some of your techniques also. So just try this question now. So let me give you the first hint. First hint is that let here x is equal to 1 by t. So just do this and you will get dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Just see what happens after doing this. So when you will do this, no, x will be 1 by t here and x square will be 1 by t square. 2x will be 2 by t and then plus 2 and root over x plus 1 will be 1 by t plus 1. And this dx will be minus 1 by t square dt. So this is what you will get. Then you write it as integral of this will become, first of all, just see this one. So here it will be 2t square plus 2t plus 1. This is what you will get by t square. And there is minus 1 by t square here dt. So this t square and this t square will cancel. What else we will do? This 1 by t and this. It will be root over t into 1 plus t. Because t by root t will be root t and this will become like this. And here it will be 1. Right till here. But I think in this manner, let us think a little bit whether we would be able to get the answer by this process or not. So let me think a little bit while you can just try. So what I think is that this substitution will not help.
So
Yeah,
can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Sorry, sir, I was like for 10 minutes I was outside.
Okay. So we are doing this question. I have approached by a method. You are not connected for 10 minutes.
Like I was having some work, sir.
Okay. So let us see this question. What we have to do here, we will let x plus 1 is equal to u square. So in that case, this will become x will be u square minus 1 and dx will be 2u du. And root over x plus 1 will be u. And here x square plus 2x plus 2. X square plus 2x plus 2 is actually x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So it is u to the power 4 plus 1. So this will be u to the power 4 plus 1, like this. Okay. So what will happen next is this u will get cancelled and we will have 2 times u square minus 1 by u to the power 4 plus 1 du. Now here what we will do, we will take it as dividing numerator and denominator by u square. It is 1 minus 1 by u square and it will be u square plus 1 by u square do u. So it will happen like this till here. Now after doing this, we can do one thing. We can write it like this, that this is u plus 1 by u whole square. This will give you u square plus 1 by u square plus 2. So we'll subtract 2 also du. Now one interesting thing which is happening here is that if you let that u plus 1 by u is equal to t, then 1 minus 1 by u square du will be equal to dt. So this will be equal to 2. 1 minus 1 by u square du will be dt. And u plus 1 by u is t. So t square minus 2. So this is what we will get. Now this will be 2 times x square minus a square formula is 1 by 2a 2 root 2 log of t minus root 2 by t plus root 2. Okay, so first write till here. So after doing till here, now we have to substitute back. So 2 cancel, 1 by root 2. Log of mod of t is u plus 1 by u minus root 2 by u plus 1 by u plus root 2 plus c. And what was u? U square was x plus 1. So u was root over x plus 1. This is what we will get. Now, if you want to take LCM, then that is also fine. You can write it as log of x plus 1 minus root over 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus root over 2x plus 1 plus c, which is log of x plus 2 minus root over 2x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus root over 2x plus 1 plus c.